Hey guys, it's Tim, and today I'm going to be counting down the top 5 tech products that are perfect for creatives in 2023. These products are all designed to help you create your best work, whether you're a graphic designer, video editor, musician, or writer. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe for more tech reviews and tips. And if you're already a subscriber, thanks for your support. Alright, let's dive in. Number 5, Apple iPad Pro. The iPad Pro is a great all-around device for creatives. It has a powerful A12X Bionic chip that can handle even the most demanding tasks, and its large high-resolution display is perfect for working on creative projects. The iPad Pro also supports a variety of creative apps, such as Affinity Designer, Affinity Photo, and LumaFusion. Price, starting at $799. Number 4, Wacom Intuos Pro Drawing Tablet. The Wacom Intuos Pro is a great drawing tablet for creatives of all levels. It has a pressure-sensitive pen that allows you to create natural-looking brushstrokes, and its large work area gives you plenty of space to draw. The Intuos Pro also comes with a variety of software programs, including Wacom Pro Pen 2 technology and Clip Studio Paint Pro. Price, starting at $399. Number 3. Sony Alpha A7 IV Mirrorless Camera. The Sony Alpha A7 IV is a great mirrorless camera for creatives who want to shoot both high-quality photos and videos. It has a full-frame sensor that produces stunning images, and its 4K video recording capabilities are perfect for filmmakers and videographers. The A7 IV is also relatively lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry around with you. Price, starting at $2,498. Number 2, Apple MacBook Pro. The MacBook Pro is a great laptop for creatives who need a powerful machine that can handle demanding tasks. It has a powerful Intel Core i7 processor and up to 32 gigabytes of RAM, so you can easily run multiple creative apps at the same time. The MacBook Pro also has a long battery life, so you can work on your creative projects all day long. Price, starting at $1,299. Number 1, 3D Printer. A 3D printer is a great tool for creatives who want to prototype and produce their own designs. There are a variety of 3D printers available, ranging from affordable entry-level models to high-end professional printers. The best 3D printer for you will depend on your specific needs and budget. Price, starting at $200. Those are the top 5 physical tech products that are perfect for creatives in 2023. I hope this video has helped you find the perfect tools for your creative needs. You can find links to these products in the description. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and tips.